Hey, welcome back to Lame Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be what did I buy Wednesday? A couple stash ads, whatever. It's been a little while since I've done a what did I buy Wednesday. Been busy working and working outside in my yard and everything else, getting some drainage issues sorted out with rain and everything else. I got some videos I've been recording of that. That's going to be like a how-to before and after type of thing coming. But that's not model related, but I'm assembling something. That's been taking a little bit of my time lately. Haven't got really the group build update video for now 2 weeks. I may try and get one done and posted for soon. Just been hectic, let's say that. So let's turn around and show you what I got. All right. The other day, I stopped up at Atomic City, swap a model shop there, hot rod model car resource. I didn't buy this kit. I've had this kit for a while. But we did buy a resin hood for it. A little bit of a cow hood type thing here going. This came from, they stock Larry's Resins. Visit Larry's Resin on Facebook for all your resin needs. Larry Holbert Jr. Let's pull the body back out here. If it's need a little bit of trim, won't need much. You can see it almost fits out of the package. So I think that'll give that 90s look to it a little bit. This may be I don't know if I'm gonna get into the Street Machine group build this year, but this may be next year's Street Machine group build car. Little bag go for this. It's $5, so it's well worth it in my opinion. I was in there. I was looking. I was probably spent an hour in there when I was only going to go for a few minutes, just looking, seeing if any kits catch my eye. That I got to have that kit today. Nothing caught my eye. But a couple days before that, I went to Ollies. My local Ollies rarely has kits. Well, they had them this time, so we picked up the 32 Ford. So kind of good deal on that one. $12.99. I've got a couple of these now, but not maybe one of this one, but several of the 32, the high boys. I got a couple of. So something fun to work on one day. And I got a second one of these, the GTX, because I may build one like the movie car, and I want to just do one. If you remember a while back, I cleaned up one I built years ago and grabbed it down. So we're now want to get the dust off of it again. I got this one I built years ago. So we'll be doing something different now. Checking my build quality, I guess, from year over years. And honestly, I haven't had a whole lot of time at the bench lately. No model cars and coffee for a couple weeks now, it seems. And I'm drinking coffee right now. I don't know. It's just been busy at work, busy around the house. Like I said, I'm working on some drainage, water control problems, issues that I should have done years ago. Just now getting around to it, I guess. Having the knowledge, I guess, time. Well, that's all I bought lately. A couple model kits and the resin hood. Getting ready to go on. As this video drops, I'm probably, I'll be leaving for Tennessee here in a little bit. Doing a little vacation. Get away for a couple days. Then come back and start again. Just need some time away. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.